Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover 5 best brazing flux in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Harris SSWF 1-Stay Silv Brazing Flux. Harris is a well-known brand in the community since it offers the best selection of tools and accessories for professional applications. The Brazing Flux pack from Harris is one such option, and you should prefer that if your requirements are similar. In the first place, we are going to place the most popular option available in the market for a brazing flux. The Harris SSWF1 Brazing Flux has sold a lot of units since it is the best option for professional users. First of all, you will get about 17 ounces of brazing flux in this pack, which is quite a lot. Even if you are using the flux regularly, such an amount will surely last you a very long time. Other than that, it is also a high-quality product since Harris SSWF1 Brazing Flux has specified a great temperature range for the flux. You will be able to use the flux within a temperature range of 1050 to 1600 degrees Fahrenheit range, making it a suitable option for the brazing process over a variety of metals. Most importantly, the Harris SSWF1 Brazing Flux is highly compatible with silver blazing. Number 2. Our second best pick is Forney 37250 Brazing Flux. Forney is yet another highly popular brand for a variety of welding and metalworking peripherals. The following brazing flux from Forney is also designed for professional use and has been a preferred choice of many professionals. In second place, we have the Forney 37250 Brazing Flux. This is also a popular choice compared to many other brazing flux you can find in the market. One of the main reasons behind that is the ease of usage offered by Forney 37250 Brazing Flux and its durability. And since the product is designed and produced in the USA, you won't have to worry about the quality. As for the quantity, you will get about 8 ounces of brazing flux in the 3.63 by 3.63 by 2.63 inches package of Forney 37250 Brazing Flux. While such a quantity is good enough for casual usage, it is not ideal for regular application. If you are buying Forney 37250 Brazing Flux for standard use, make sure you get your hands on multiple packs, keeping the extra options as reserve. Number 3. Our third best pick is Hot Max 24184 Aluminum Brazing Flux. Hot Max is offering one of the most premium choices for a brazing flux on our picks today. Apart from the brazing flux, Hot Max also produces appliance hose, propane torch, TIG filter, and many other welding-related accessories. Our third pick for the best brazing flux is coming from Hot Max. The Hot Max 24184 might be a premium choice for a brazing alloy, but it is definitely a reliable option. This flux is designed for welding and works perfectly with the torch blazing process on aluminum. One of the most suited applications for this blazing flux are 4047, 4043, and 1100 brazing alloys. Apart from that, this blazing flux is also a suitable choice for furnaces and automated flame blazing processes. This compound contains zinc chloride that ensures high performance and avoids oxidation effectively at the time of brazing. This blazing flux is also made in the USA and offers a reliable production quality. Pros: multi-purpose brazing flux. It is specifically designed for torch brazing aluminum. Zinc chloride content in the flux offers reliable results. Cons: quite a premium option compared to other options. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Hot Max 24000 Brazing Flux Powder. Hot Max has managed to land yet another brazing flux pack on our picks for this list. As there are multiple options available from Hot Max, you should definitely check out the low quantity option mentioned here. Last but not the least, we have the Hot Max 24,000 Brazing Flux powder. It is rather a budget-friendly option from Hot Max with great specification as well as reliability. This powder is designed for steel, malleable iron, cast iron, and even galvanized metals such as brass, bronze, etc. You can use the flux with either an oxyacetylene arc torch or carbon arc torch, whichever is available in your workshop. Coming to the active temperature range, this brazing flux powder offers 1,400 to 2,200 degrees Fahrenheit temperature range, which should cover most brazing processes commonly used in the industry. It meets various quality standards to offer reliable performance. Within the 3.5 by 3.5 by 2.5 inches pack size of this brazing flux powder, you will get about 8 ounces of powder that might be a little low considering its applications. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Hobart 770119 Welding Flux Brazing. If you are looking for a compact blazing flux unit, pay attention to our last pick. The following pick from Hobart is one of their finest offerings, including plasma cutters, welding accessories, and a variety of safety apparatus. Now, we have the Hobart 770119 Brazing Flux. This is also a welding flux that works perfectly fine with brazing applications. Made in the USA, the Hobart 770119 Brazing Flux offers great performance with no compromises made in terms of quality. As this is a larger option, the Hobart 770119 Brazing Flux offers about 11.2 ounces of flux within the 3.6 by 3.5 by 2.7 package. One of the great advantages of this welding flux is that it cleans the contact surface very well and does not leave a lot of residue behind. You can use this brazing flux with bare brass as well without any issue. As there is not a lot of residue left of this brazing flux, it offers better adhesion for the brazing joint, ultimately increasing the lifespan of the joint. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.